Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about our incredible planet that will leave you in awe. From strange natural phenomena to unbelievable geological wonders, Earth never ceases to amaze. Make sure you stick around till the end, because you won't believe some of these facts. Let's get started. The Earth's core is hotter than the Sun's surface. Deep within our planet, Earth's core reaches temperatures that are hotter than the surface of the Sun. The core is primarily made up of iron and nickel, and it is divided into two parts: a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. The temperature of the inner core can exceed 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the Sun's surface temperature of around 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat is primarily the result of two factors: the residual heat from when the Earth was first formed and the ongoing radioactive decay of elements like uranium and thorium. Despite the intense heat, the core remains solid due to the immense pressure from the surrounding layers. The heat from the core plays a crucial role in driving the planet's geothermal activity and the movement of tectonic plates, which are responsible for shaping Earth's surface. Earth's oceans hold more than 20 million tons of gold. While oceans are often associated with vast amounts of water, they also contain an unexpected treasure: gold. It's estimated that Earth's oceans hold over 20 million tons of gold dispersed throughout the water. However, the concentration of gold is extremely low, with about 13 micrograms per liter of seawater. Even though it's spread out so thinly, the sheer volume of water means the total amount of gold is staggering. This gold is primarily in the form of dissolved particles and is a result of the Earth's geological processes over billions of years. Despite its abundance, extracting gold from the oceans is currently not economically viable due to the small concentrations and the high cost of retrieval. Still, this fact highlights just how much hidden treasure our planet holds, waiting to be discovered, if only we had the technology to access it. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus, one of Earth's closest planetary neighbors, has a fascinating and unusual rotation. A single day on Venus, which refers to the time it takes for Venus to complete one full rotation on its axis, lasts about 243 Earth days. That's actually longer than the time it takes for Venus to complete one full orbit around the Sun, which is only 225 Earth days. This means that Venus experiences an entire day, sunrise to sunset, that is longer than its year. One reason for this strange phenomenon is the planet's incredibly slow rotation. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in the solar system, meaning its rotation is retrograde. Additionally, Venus's thick atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, causes extreme greenhouse effects, which results in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. The combination of a slow rotation and a short orbit makes Venus a truly unique and mysterious planet in our solar system. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet's atmosphere. It is responsible for producing around 20% of the oxygen we breathe, making it one of the most vital ecosystems for sustaining life on Earth. Covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is home to millions of plant and animal species. Through the process of photosynthesis, the dense trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, significantly contributing to the planet's oxygen supply. The forest also acts as a natural carbon sink, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change by absorbing large amounts of carbon. However, deforestation and environmental degradation threaten this crucial ecosystem, which is why protecting the Amazon has become a global priority in the fight against climate change and biodiversity loss. There's a water tornado on Earth. One of the most fascinating and rare natural phenomena on Earth is the waterspout, also known as a water tornado. This awe-inspiring event occurs when a tornado forms over a body of water, creating a rotating column of water that is often visible as it pulls water from the surface into the sky. Waterspouts are similar to tornadoes, but they form over water instead of land. They can range from weak to strong, with some reaching wind speeds comparable to small tornadoes. While waterspouts can be mesmerizing to watch, they can also be dangerous, especially for boats and ships navigating in their path. Waterspouts are most commonly seen in tropical or subtropical regions, but they can occur in other parts of the world as well. Despite their striking appearance, they generally dissipate quickly, lasting only a few minutes before vanishing as the atmospheric conditions change. The Earth's magnetic field is shifting. Earth's magnetic field, which helps protect us from harmful solar radiation, is constantly changing and shifting. The magnetic poles, where Earth's magnetic field is strongest, are not stationary. They actually move over time. The magnetic North Pole, for example, has been drifting from the Canadian Arctic towards Russia at a rate of about 10 kilometers per year. This shift is a natural process, influenced by the dynamic movement of molten iron within the Earth's outer core. The phenomenon, known as geomagnetic secular variation, has been happening for millions of years. It is also responsible for occasional geomagnetic reversals, when the magnetic poles swap places. While these shifts do not pose an immediate threat to life on Earth, they do affect technology, such as navigation systems and satellite operations. As the magnetic field continues to shift, scientists are closely monitoring these changes to better understand the long-term implications for our planet. Mount Everest grows every year. Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, is not as static as it might seem. In fact, the towering peak of Everest continues to grow each year due to the constant movement of tectonic plates. The mountain rises by approximately 4 millimeters annually as a result of the collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates. This process, known as tectonic uplift, has been slowly shaping the Himalayas for millions of years. Everest's current height stands at 29,032 feet, 8,848 meters, but its elevation is continuously increasing. The tectonic activity that drives this upward growth also causes the region to experience frequent earthquakes and shifts in the landscape. However, measuring the exact height of Everest is a complex process, as its summit is constantly impacted by factors such as seismic activity, glaciers, and even climate change. Despite these changes, Everest's majestic presence remains a symbol of Earth's powerful natural forces. Earth is truly an extraordinary place full of secrets and wonders. From the shifting poles to the singing forests, our planet never fails to surprise us. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring.